Hello, this is Dr. J from NuGrow Hair Restoration. Today I want to talk about different procedures we offer for non-surgical hair restoration. We offer PRP, which is also known as platelet-rich plasma, PRF, which is platelet-rich fibrin, A-cell, exosomes, stem cells, and tissue regenerative factors, which can enhance hair growth. We also offer PDO threads and Botox for hair restoration. Everything I have mentioned is non-surgical procedure and could be performed in our office in less than an hour. There is no downtime for these procedures. So give us a call for more information. We will be happy to answer all your questions. Thank you.